Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to read a story to you called How the Hedgehog Tricked the Hare. Where was it I left off? Asked Mike's dad. The hedgehog was telling his wife the plan. To trick the hare, said Mike. Got it, said his dad. The hedgehog made a map of his plan. He pointed to the map and outlined his plan to trick the hare. The hare and I will race down by the fence up to the house. On the hill, the hedgehog said to his wife, I need you to stand next to the house. Stand in a spot where the hare can't see you, and be on the lookout, my dear. The hedgehog went on. When the hare gets close, you must pop out and shout, There you are! What took you so long? But when you do, make your voice deep and stern like my voice. The hare can't tell one hedgehog from the next. If you sound like me, he will think you are me, and he will think that he has lost the race. What a clever plan, said his wife. It's perfect. Do you think the plan's going to work, boys and girls? She puckered up and kissed him on one of his cheeks, where he had no spikes. The hedgehog handed his wife the map. After his meal, the hedgehog went to the fence. His wife went up to the house on the hill. The hedgehog and the hare lined up. All set, said the hare. All set, said the hedgehog. Run, said the hare. The hare bounded off. He was fast. He was a fast and powerful runner. In a flash, he ran down the hill, past the well, and up to the house. When he got to the top of the hill, there was the hedgehog standing next to the house. Think he's a little bit puzzled, boys and girls? It was the hedgehog's wife, but she spoke in a deep, stern voice like the male hedgehog. There you are, she said. What took you so long? The hare was stunned. It can't be, he said. How did you get here so fast? I will race you back to the fence. And so the hare ran back, past the well, and up the hill until he got back to the fence. And what did he see when he got there? A hedgehog. This time it was the male hedgehog. The hedgehog said, There you are. What took you so long? No, 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 screamed the hare. The hare lost his temper. It can't be. It can't be. I am faster. I will race you back to the house. You can't beat me. Oh, boy. So the hare ran back up the hill, past the well, and up to the house. And what did he see when he got there? A hedgehog. This time it was the hedgehog's wife, and in a deep, stern voice she said, There you are. What took you so long? The hare ran to the fence and back 10 times, but it was the same all 10 times. At last he was so tired that he fell on the ground next to the male hedgehog. He could not stop huffing and puffing. He frowned and said, with a gasp, I feel weak. You are faster and better than me. The hedgehog just smiled. Good story, huh, boys and girls? Now we'd like you to complete the worksheet that goes with this. Have a great day.